Everything turned gray and colorless. The world we once knew, full of life and energy, slowly faded into a dull, emotionless state. And with the world changing, we changed too. At some point, we lost our spark. Maybe you remember a time when you felt unstoppable, when you believed you could achieve anything you set your mind to. But somewhere along the way, that energy faded. Life became routine, safe, predictable. And if you're honest with yourself, you've felt it too. That quiet frustration. That feeling that no matter how much you try, you're still not where you want to be. But here's the truth. We didn't just lose our spark. We gave it away. Somewhere along the way, we chose comfort over growth, routine over risk, and distraction over discipline. Think about it. How many times have you told yourself, "I'll start tomorrow, I'll begin next week," or "I'll take action when I feel ready"? But guess what? Tomorrow never comes. Next week turns into next month, and before you know it, another year has passed. We're addicted to the idea of change, but we're terrified of the effort it requires. We talk about our goals, we visualize success, we make endless lists of things we should do. But that's not enough. Change doesn't happen through words alone. It happens through action. The problem isn't that you lack potential. It's that you're waiting for motivation, waiting for clarity, waiting for some magical moment when everything feels perfect. But let me tell you, that moment doesn't exist. You're not stuck because life is unfair. You're stuck because you're waiting for life to align with your goals. But life doesn't work that way. The world won't suddenly hand you success. You have to create it. You have to force it to happen. You have to show up on the days you don't feel like it, especially on those days. You say you don't have time, yet somehow there's always time for scrolling through social media, rewatching the same TV series, or lying in bed thinking about how you don't have time. The problem isn't a lack of time. It's how you're using it. If you can spend 3 hours on TikTok, you can spend 30 minutes building your future. If you can spend a weekend binge-watching shows, you can spend an hour developing a skill that will change your life. Time doesn't slip away. It's spent, and you decide where it goes. Success isn't about luck or waiting for the perfect moment. It's about creating systems that keep you moving forward. It's about routines that force you to show up, even when you don't feel like it. It's about discipline, choosing to stay committed long after the excitement fades. That's what separates those who achieve from those who simply dream. The grind isn't supposed to feel good. It's supposed to feel necessary. The sooner you accept that, the sooner you'll start seeing results. Your future isn't decided by fate. It's decided by what you do today. Every choice you make, what you eat, how you spend your time, what you focus on, shapes the person you're becoming. Small choices, repeated daily, create massive results. So ask yourself this: are you really trying? Or are you just hoping things will magically improve someday? Because if you're not putting in the work, you're not growing. You're just surviving. You can't half commit and expect full results. You can't wait for life to magically change. You have to force it to change. And you can't keep telling yourself, "Next year will be my year," without making changes today. You might not have this, but if you decide to lock in, 2025 can be the year you stop saying next year will be my year and start saying this year is mine. The world won't fix itself for you, but you can fix yourself. And maybe that'll bring some color back to everything else too. So, what will it be? Are you ready to start now? Or are we having the same conversation next year?